Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing clutter so TikTok can relearn you quickly. Open Settings, clear cache, and then immediately unfollow accounts that no longer match your interests. This removes competing signals. Next, find 5 to 10 videos that represent the content you want and like them. This gives the algorithm fresh, positive feedback. Once done, avoid browsing aimlessly. Focus on watching full videos of your target topics, so watch time signals register, and begin steering the For You page. Now you refine the middle phase where the algorithm adapts. Watch videos in your chosen niche all the way through because watch time and replays weigh heavily. Don't skim. When you see irrelevant content, tap Not Interested so the system suppresses those themes. Report spam to avoid noisy signals. Make deliberate engagements, comment, share, and use search or follow hashtags that match your goals. This multiplies positive signals and accelerates the shift in what appears on your For You feed. Finish by consolidating the new pattern so it persists. For the next 3 to 7 days, repeat focused viewing and engagement to stabilize the recommendation model. Consistency beats occasional bursts. If your For You page still resists, troubleshoot. Log out and back in, reinstall the app, or try a different account or VPN location briefly to reset regional signals. One final tip: create a private test account to experiment with tastes without affecting your main profile, so you can diagnose what works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.